All right, guys, moving ahead. Perfect break and retest. Why is it important? It is important because as we all have learned how a support is created, correct? So now as we know how a support is created, that will be our entry point to take a trade. And that if is our entry point to take a trade, we have to know how the movement can be captured in a perfect stage so that we can take a trade. So let's see here. We had a resistance here which got broken. The market, if you see this area right now, the market made a lower high and then moved up making a higher high. After the market made a higher high, we have to focus. I have made an arrow here because we have to focus on the inclination, because that is what is telling us about the trend. The trend is bullish, right? Then once a higher high was made, market came down and made a lower high. And this was the point where we understood that the breakout which has happened at this place is perfectly acting and the retest is confirmed. And that is the place where after the confirmation we are taking our trade. So this is our entry point, right? That's what proves to us and gives us a confirmation that whenever we will take an entry after the confirmation of the trend, after the breakout of the support or resistance, it will always be perfect. So you can see the momentum will always be very, very strong whenever the second retest is done. This is the retest which is happening on the line here, which is the support or resistance, correct? If it is down, it is support. If it is up, it is resistance. And we have to test always the retest over the support and resistance only. So once it is done, as you can see, it's a fabulous trade. It will go all over high, breaking out everything. And this is what we call a perfect break. All right. The same thing when we are taking a short trade or a bearish trade, the same thing will happen. Market will be up. In a short trade, of course, we have to short from top, right? So as soon as the market creates a support and the support is broken, where is the support broken? The support is broken here. Once the support was tested, then made a lower high, and then market came down and broke this area. See, once it breaks this area, right, we have to get alerted. It is not a confirmation. The confirmation is when the retest happens. This arrow down is the retest. So when the market made a lower low and then retested and made a lower high, that was the place we got the confirmation that the market got a perfect breakdown and the support is going to break perfectly, and this is where we entered our trade, keeping the stop loss as the highest level of candle area, whichever is there adjoining the retest level. Adjoining the retest level, I'm telling you. All right, that's how you will get the stop loss. And then we can move ahead in the trade.